Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the biometrics and password. Now let's tap on the fingerprint ID. And before we'll be able to set the fingerprint, we have to add the regular lock screen. Of course, if you've got one currently set, you will be transferred to another step. If not, we have to do it right now. So just choose the option you like the most. Let's set the screen lock and tap on done. Right here, you can either tap on new fingerprint and you will be immediately transferred to the option where you can add the fingerprint, or you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for right now. So unlock device, access safe, or access uplock safe. It's up to you which option you prefer. I will just tap on unlock device and I will be transferred to this section. So we have to place our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button of our device on the right side. So let me do it. Let me do it, as I said. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, every part of it for better recognition, of course. Okay, now the edges. Okay. If you want to, you can rename the fingerprint right now or just tap on OK. I know. And here we've got some other options which are connected with the fingerprint. So for example, unlock when screen is off. You can choose the method, rest finger, and press the button. And to be honest, rest finger is much easier and more comfortable, because all you have to do is to put the finger on the sensor. In the press, you have to put it and also press the buttons. So it may be complicated in some situations, but it's up to you, of course. You can decide whether you want to feel the vibration whenever the fingerprint won't be recognized. Here you've got the fingerprint list. So as you can see, you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. You can tap on the fingerprint, rename it, or remove it. And also identify the fingerprint. So if you've got a lot of fingerprints added, you can identify one of them just by putting it on the sensor. But let me lock the device and let's check if it is working actually. So let me put my finger on the sensor now, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.